cat hair in my lip gloss. Oh, it's still there. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brooke if you're new here. In today's video, I'm just going to do a get ready with me for an ice skating date that I'm going on that I don't even know if I'm going on. I don't know if we're going ice skating, but you know, I wanted to do my makeup anyway. I wanted to film a video for you guys. And yeah, so here I am. Here's the makeup. I had a bathrobe on this whole video and I meant to take it off, so just like ignore that. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because we're so close to 4,000 and I would love to hit it. So please subscribe. Thank you. And comment down below and turn on your post notification bell so you never miss my upload. I try to upload twice a week, but sometimes it doesn't work out. So yeah, I just really upload when I can. And I'm starting school on Monday, so I'm gonna try my hardest. Yeah, if you want to get ready with me and do this makeup with me, then please just keep on watching. Okay, so I already primed and I used the Maybelline Master Prime in Blur and Smooth. I don't know, I like to just like let primer sit into my face a little bit before I put makeup on it. But yeah, next I'm going to be taking my It Cosmetics CC cream in the shade Medium, and I'm gonna use my Real Technique sponge to put that all over my face. Okay, then after that, I'm going to be taking my It Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye CC Cream. If I can find my brush. And I'm going to put that under my eyes and like around my nose here and on my chin a little. And I'm also going to blend whatever's left on the sponge onto my eyelids so I can prime them for eyeshadow. I don't even like know if I'm actually going ice skating. I just wanted to do my makeup anyways, even if I don't, because I'm bored. Okay, and then I'm gonna blend that out with my It Cosmetics with my Real Techniques Beauty Blender. I can't talk today. Being stupid. Yeah. I'm just gonna blend this out now with my Real Techniques sponge. Today is my dog's 5th birthday, and I made her a cake. It's a dog cake. My mom got the mix at like Target or something, and then you just add water and unsweetened applesauce to it and you bake it, and it comes with frosting for it too. Humans aren't allowed to eat it, it's only for dogs. Now I'm going to take my Maybelline Fit Me translucent powder, the one I always use, and I'm going to bake. Okay, now I'm going to let that sit for a little and I'm going to contour. As always, I'm taking my contour kit and I'm going to take this shade right here. I'm just going to contour my cheeks, my temples, and my jaw. And I'm also going to put a little bit on my nose. Okay, now I'm just going to take a big brush and wipe the bake off and also blend that contour a little bit. And then I'm going to take the banana shade in the contour kit and put that under my eyes just to brighten them up a little bit, because you know, these dark circles ain't never going away and I don't know how to make them, but I'm gonna try my hardest. And I'm also just gonna take that under my contour to clean it up a little, and then contour it under my lip to make it pouty. I'm gonna take some of my Fit Me powder and put that in places where I need a little more coverage, like on these pimples that decided to pop up on my face overnight. Love that for me. And then I'm gonna take my Too Faced Chocolate Soleil and bronze up my face a little bit. I feel like I'm being really boring, like sorry. And then I'm gonna take some blush, the Tarte one that I always use, you know. And then I'm gonna highlight using my Carly Bible palette as always, and I'm gonna use the shade right here. I'm probably gonna mix these two actually, the gold and like the rose golds, because I have like none of either. And I'll finish highlighting my eyebrows and stuff, my brow bone and my inner corner later. But these are the two palettes I'm going to be using today. They're both Kylie Cosmetics, but I'm going to start out with the Holiday 2016 palette. So obviously I don't think you can get this anymore unless she has it on there on like clearance or something, but I doubt that. But I'm gonna start out with like this shade right here. Even though it's super light, I'm just gonna use that as a transition shade. And then I'm gonna be taking this shade right here. Let's see what it's called. I think it's called Chestnut. I don't know. If you have this palette, you can just see which color it is. But it's like a darkish kind of purpley mauve color. And I'm just gonna blend that into my crease. I kind of want to do like a not so brown look today. You know what I mean? Like I kind of wanted to lean more towards like pinks and stuff like that because I don't know, I'm just in the mood and I feel like all I ever do is brown shades, so I'm going to try. Keep adding and then keep blending with a clean brush just to make it easier at the end. And then I'm going to go into the purple palette and I'm going to take the shade right here. I don't know, I think it's called Periwinkle. Periwinkle. Oh my god, my nose is so itchy. Okay, and I'm just gonna take that on my finger and put that on my lid. Oh my god, that's so pretty. I'm gonna like focus it in the center and then blend it out, but it's just gonna all be on my lid. So I'm gonna kind of bring the crease shade down into my outer V just to add some depth. And then I'm going to take, which I'm so confused by myself right now. I'm gonna take those first two crease shades that we used and put those on my lower lash line. Okay, I might just bring that into my inner corner. I think I already said that, but oh well. Yeah, I think that's all I'm gonna do for the eyes. And then I'm gonna do my eyebrows really quick. I'm gonna just fill them in a tiny bit towards like the ends because I'm not really a huge fan of myself with filled in eyebrows. I don't know why, I used to be. And then I'm going to use this Great Lash from Maybelline and I'm going to use that as a brow gel, TBT, to when everyone used to do this. Then again, going back into my Carly Bible palette, I'm just gonna take that highlighter shade I used and highlight my brow bone. And now I'm gonna curl my eyelashes and put some mascara on, which is the Urban Decay Perversion one, and then I will be back. But I'm not gonna bore you with this because I take forever to do my mascara. Literally 12 years later and I'm done with my mascara. So moving on, I'm pretty boring with my lips. I never do anything too extravagant because I just don't like to. So I'm going to be taking my BH Cosmetics Strip Lip Liner as usual. And then I'm going to use my Fenty Gloss Bomb. I know in my last video I said I like the Estee Lauder one I used, but I also love this one and I can never go wrong with it. This is the one, this is like the original one. I don't know, let me see what it's called. Fenty Glow. Okay, and then I'm just gonna set my face using my e.l.f. Cosmetics setting spray. I just set the shit out of my face. But yeah, anyway, this is the makeup look for my ice skating date. I'm gonna take this off now because it was supposed to be off the whole time. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you like how the makeup turned out. If you liked this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and comment down below. We're really close to 4,000 subscribers and I would love to reach it. So if you could please subscribe, I would really like that. Thank you. Okay, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!